First question on your study guide to review for your linear equations assessment. Louis is shopping for clothing. He buys sweatshirts that cost $15 each and a pair of jeans that cost $20. He spends a total of $80. Part A, write an equation that can be used to find the number of sweatshirts Louis bought. So let's see. He got sweatshirts that were $15 each. And he got a pair of jeans for $20. So our unknown is how many sweatshirts did he get, right? Because we know how many pairs of jeans. It says 8 pair of jeans. That means just 1. We don't know how many sweatshirts. So we're going to take our rate of 15, that's the price per sweatshirt, and we're going to multiply it by S, the number of sweatshirts that he bought. We don't know how many. We will add to that 20. So 20 is our constant term. It represents 1 pair of jeans. It's our constant because it just happens once. It doesn't happen again and again, as opposed to the 15, which happens again and again, depending on how many sweatshirts he bought, right? We keep adding 15 for each sweatshirt. His total was 80, so we're going to set that equal to 80. So we finished part A. We wrote an equation to represent Louis's purchases, and if we solve that equation, it would help us find the number of sweatshirts that Louis bought. Part B, how many sweatshirts did Louis buy? Okay, usually when you need to create an equation or select an equation in one part of a question, you'll need to solve the equation in the next part of the problem. So I'm going to copy the equation, 15s plus 20 equals 80, and I'm going to solve it. Remember, when we're solving linear equations, we first identify the operation. So s, our variable, is getting multiplied by 15, so we know we're going to have to do the inverse of multiplication. We also see add 20, so we need to do the inverse of addition. The inverse of addition is subtraction, so we'll subtract 20. 20 minus 20 is 0, that's why that cancels out. We'll subtract 20 on the other side, because when we make a change on one side of the equation, we always make the same change on the other side. 80 minus 20 is 60. So now we're left with 15s, $15 per sweatshirt, times s, our variable, unknown number of sweatshirts that he bought, equals 60. And now we're going to invert that multiplication, and we're going to divide. 15 divided by 15 is 1, so we have just 1 s, which is what we were looking for. Divide by 15 on the other side, 60 divided by 15 is 4. So our answer is s equals 4. Louis bought 4 sweatshirts.